Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the metal bat's integrity because a hairline crack changes everything. Stand with feet shoulder width and a 30 degrees angle, then settle a two-handed grip, dominant hand on top. Once done, bring the bat back in a compact loop. Don't telegraph the swing. Drive through with your hips first, then let the arms follow, accelerating at the last moment. Make sure to keep your eyes on the contact point so you connect cleanly and control rebound. You now focus on sequencing power and control, because raw speed without timing wastes energy. Rotate your hips toward the target, transferring torque up the core. This engages larger muscles so the arms act as accelerators. Once the bat is near contact, snap the wrists for a clean, extra velocity. Do not release early or you lose accuracy. If the trajectory is off, slightly alter the swing plane and adjust your front foot. Repetition locks the timing into muscle memory. You finish by following through fully because the finish preserves energy transfer and reduces shock to your hands. A high finish amplifies lift. A level finish favors penetration. Choose based on desired result. If you notice slices, check posture. An open chest or early shoulder rotation causes that. Square the shoulders and delay rotation. When you feel excessive vibration, stop and inspect grip tape thickness and bat balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.